Good morning, MMTs, 9:31 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Today's date is 8/13 of 2011, and what a great day it is, Saturday. And basically what the MMTs are going to learn is that the SQQQ is a bear. And buying down here at the bottom, as we did all the work, and everything going straight up to those highs to 34 from 22, there was a great move in that direction on the bear ETF SQQQ daily. Okay? And over here in this chart, right here, let us not be in denial, is the TQQQ daily bull. Okay? And when shorting the top of the bull up here, you can short this out outright. Okay? And understanding that you can be long here going mathematically this way, and you can be short here going mathematically descending in value that way. Then once you hit the tops up here, you selling out, and of course you're going to buy the cover down here and get net long on these big reversal bars, and you're selling out up here at the top. How to work both the bear and the bull. When to be long, when to be short. Now, having said that, in the technology index, I'm going to show a bear ETF that can be traded, TYP, and I'm going to show the 3X bull can be shorted right along with that TQQQ. They go together, and you can short both. And not only that, the bear ETF, 3X bear, and these are daily charts right here. Okay, and it's all related to technology bear 3X, and you can be long here and the SSQ. So you got two trades long, and you're shorting this one here down. That's one trade, and you're shorting the bull. You got four trades working in one directional movement. And we're very good at it as market makers. We use our platform, and those are the charts there. I'm going to move these daily ETFs out of the way. Now I'm going to get more sophisticated, and I'm going to show a movement on the Morgan Stanley Technology Index called MSH, Morgan Stanley Technology Index for year 2011. That was the first 4-week good 4-week correction. That was the longer one, and then this one was that way right here. Up above me is a monthly reversal on the MSH, Morgan Stanley Technology Index. You can see that monthly reversal, okay, in the monthly level. That's huge, and it came all the way down here and got support at the 50-month and the 40-month moving averages, and they bounced. That's when the bull bounced, and that's when the bears sold off, and that's when the other ones changed. So we know what that is, the weighting of this. We also know here, beyond a reasonable doubt, that these are the kind of weighting that we have here. Okay? And basically, you got 541, you got Amazon, you've got your Google, you've got your Intel, which that's not a bad move for it, but you got your IBM in there, and you've got some different type of weightings that are different in the CTNX technology. And that the Morgan Stanley Technology Index is weighted, but notice the key components in here is going to be Apple, it's going to be Google, it's going to be IBM again. Okay? And that's why the weekly reversals here are the way they are. Now, on a different video, I will go back over on how to apply, again, using a bull 3X. It's bounced 3 days in a row to resistance. Okay? And at the time it was bouncing, the bear was pulling back in here to its moving averages as we move forward, going through the dog days of August and September and throughout the year, is we're going to be very heavily on these. Okay? And the thing about it is